Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for civil engineering placements. First, thoroughly research companies and specific roles that genuinely align with your career aspirations. Next, update your resume to clearly highlight relevant academic projects, practical skills, and any prior experience. Finally, dedicate time to practicing common interview questions and reviewing core civil engineering technical concepts to build confidence. To further enhance your profile, focus on developing strong technical skills in areas like CAD software, structural analysis, or project management. Actively attend industry events and career fairs to meet professionals and expand your valuable network. Don't hesitate to seek mentorship from experienced civil engineers. Their guidance can be incredibly beneficial for your career path. When applying, always tailor each application to the specific job description, emphasizing how your skills meet their needs. Prepare a professional portfolio showcasing your best design or analysis work, including any relevant calculations or drawings. Practice explaining your projects clearly and concisely, focusing on your contributions and the outcomes, which demonstrates your problem-solving abilities. After submitting applications and completing interviews, remember to follow up professionally to reiterate your interest and appreciation. Consider taking on internships or volunteer work to gain valuable practical experience, even if unpaid, as this significantly boosts your resume. Also, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot Smart Speaker. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals. These steps will help you stand out in a competitive field.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.